My name is Jagatpal and today's topic is thermometry. Thermometry. Thermometry means measure of temperature. Thermometry means measure of temperature. Measure of temperature. Measure of temperature. And for any scale we can use the formula for any scale. For any scale we use that formula T minus TIP upon TSP minus TIP equal to constant, where T is the reading, TIP is ice point, TSP is steam point. In this formula we define the reading of any scale. This is the for any scales formula, and we can talk about Celsius, Faraday and Kelvin. Boiling point of water, in which boiling point of water boiling point of water boiling point of water means steam point. Steam point 100 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale. 212 degree Faraday in Faraday scale. And 373.15 Kelvin equal to Kelvin scale. This is the reference point basically, and below we talk about this is the boiling point, and below talk about melting of ice. Melting of ice means ice point. In Celsius scale it is 0 degree Celsius. In Faraday scale it is 32 degree Faraday. In Kelvin scale it is 273.515 Kelvin. Okay. For the relation between Faraday and Celsius scale. for Faraday and Celsius. Means F minus 32 upon 212 minus 32 equal to C minus 0 upon 100 minus 0 equal to, we can write in this form, C upon 5 equal to F minus 32 upon 9. ओके। अगर हमें केल्विन और सेल्सियस के बारे में बात करनी है तो हम कैसे बात करेंगे? केल्विन और सेल्सियस के बारे में बात करनी है तो हम नेक्स्ट पेज की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। केल्विन और सेल्सियस के बारे में बात करनी है तो स्केल हो जाएगी फॉर केल्विन एंड सेल्सियस। K equal to minus 273.15 upon 373.15 minus 273.15 equal to C minus 0 upon 100 minus 0. Finally, we obtain the relation K is equal to C plus 273.15 Kelvin. This is the relation for 2 Kelvin. For general form is that general form is F minus 32 upon 212 minus 32 K minus 273.15 upon 373.15 minus 273.15 equal to C minus 0 upon 100 minus 0. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू वंस मोर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।